Junior year in high school, I believe they had bring high school students to tech, kind of just show them around. And I planned on going to school for welding at that time already. So I remember walking into the welding lab, and I pretty much knew right then and there that that's where I wanted to go to school. The teachers were awesome. I mean, I wasn't even going to school there yet, and they were already so welcoming and had top of the line equipment. I just knew that's where I wanted to go. I would say the teachers and just the atmosphere. I mean, you can go, if you have a question with anything, you can go there and any instructor is willing to help you. I mean, I never had one bad experience with anybody there. I would say the other thing is you can always go back. You can keep going back for whatever you need. I mean, even I had a question on a weld that we had to do here at work. Emailed my instructor. I haven't been in welding school for, I think I graduated in 2011. I mean, that's over 10 years ago. And he emailed me back right away with the answer, or whatever he could to help me. I mean, most places you can't get that. Especially in welding, I only planned on doing the technical diploma originally. And because my instructor really saw that I knew what I was doing and really took initiative, and I really enjoyed what I was doing and I was good at it, he pushed for me to sign up for the 2-year, and I ended up graduating with a 2-year associate's degree in Industrial Welding. So the welding portion of it, I applied here for a welding position, got it. If it wasn't for schooling, I would have never got the position that I had. And then that actually pushed me into the tool and die portion of it. I met a lot of the tool makers in tool and die because I was a welder. And one guy in particular, he seen that really was looking for something more, I would say, than just becoming a production welder. And he really pushed to get me into tool and die, and that's where I ended up now. Then when I went for my apprenticeship, the teachers that helped me out with my apprenticeship, I learned so much from them. It's just crazy how much they know, and every one of them has done it in the field, so they all experience the same thing that we're going through here. They know exactly where we're coming from. I didn't believe it at first. Like, there's so many, like you said, there's so many people that apply for it or get nominated for it, and I never thought that. When she emailed me or called me, I had disbelief, and it's an incredible honor to get this award.